I'm gonna show you how to create personalized playlists using Spotify AI. So to get started, you have to open your Spotify app or browser. So for me, I'm going to use Spotify app. So I'm going to open this one. And once you're on the homepage, you will see on the bottom right corner right here that create button. So you have to click on it. And from here, just have to click on AI playlist. But before you can click on AI playlist, or you can have this feature, you must be subscribed to a premium account. Nonetheless, you cannot see this option. So from here, just have to click on AI playlist. And then after that, you just have to press continue. So from here, you will see what do you want to hear today. It's up to you if you want to search a genre or everything or anything that you like. For me, I'm just gonna click on a random playlist. And when you decided a genre to be searched for, Spotify AI will automatically search all the songs with the same genre. So from here, you just have to create your own playlist by clicking all the songs that you like. So from here, I'm just gonna click all the selected items, and then from there, you just have to click create. And when you're done checking it all, just click on create. And that's how you create personalized playlists using Spotify AI.